Hey guys, so this is my first video, and well, it's not my first because my first one was my dogs and they are for sale, so you can buy one if you want. So today I'm going to be making slime. I'm going to be making fluffy slime. So it's really easy. It's a quick tutorial. So you need Elmer's glue. I normally use white for fluffy. So just pour as much as you want in there. So I'm going to unscrew the top. So I don't want to make too much. And I'm going to be making gray today. So you got that. I normally put in the paint right now. Can put it in whenever. And I'm going to be using gray. So now, put in as much as shaving cream as you would like. I don't want that much exactly, so spoon here. Well, it's a knife, actually. I mean, who cares? Well, so just keep on mixing until everything is mixed very thoroughly. So I need more paint because it's just looking too white. So I can add more paint right now. Once you got the color that you want and everything is mixed very well, which will be in a second. So, alright, I got the color that I wanted. My dogs are trying to climb me right now. So I got the color I would like. Now you take a borax and hot water solution. And you could use Tide, but I prefer borax. So just pour it in little by little. So it might be a bit sticky at first. So just keep on adding more borax. See, it's slowly starting to come. I need more, I think. See, my hands are already dirty. So I think I'm gonna go in now. See, it's not sticking that much, but it still is. So you just gotta knead it. I'll show you guys a puppy once I'm done with this. Like close up. Right now they're 8 weeks. As you saw in the first video. So yeah, this is ready about in a second. Not like ready, but I mean it is. So it is super fluffy. I would make more, but I don't want to waste my glue or anything. Yeah. So it is ready. Hands might be a bit dirty right now because it hasn't like completely done its thing yet. But anyway, that is how you make fluffy slime. It's so easy, and yeah. So guys, want to see more videos, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more dog videos and tutorials like this. So I still need to show you guys my puppy. So let's get one right now. Alright. Oh. So this right here is Trixie. She's the smallest of them all. We have one boy and 2 girls. So, yay! Well, thanks for watching. And remember to hit that like button and subscribe. Bye!